Looking for a nice hike? Huckleberry Hill Nature Reserve, located next to Veterans Memorial Park in Monterey, California, is a great place. With stairs, hills, and wide trails, it's a place for walking your dog and getting a great workout. You'll definitely get it here. The Scenic Trail atop Huckleberry Hill gives you great views of both Pebble Beach and Monterey. I don't know if it shows you how steep that is, but it's very steep. But when you get to the top, a beautiful view of Pebble Beach and the Pacific Ocean. Wildflowers and always poison oak you'll find on the trail, so be careful. A watering hole for the wildlife. Unusual things you'll find up on the hill. Overall, a great day hiking around at Huckleberry Hill, nuzzled in between Monterey and Carmel. Thank you. Hope you enjoy. And remember to like and subscribe to our channel.